Hi guys, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Okay, so mag-subscribe po kayo guys ha, tapos hit nyo po yung notification bell. Okay, so Sir Spooks tayo. Banatan na natin to, wag na natin patagalin. Let's start. Welcome back. Banatan na natin.
Hello everyone, my name is Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 5 scary videos. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new uploads. Alright, let's begin. For as far back as we can remember, Sasquatch sightings have been the subject of much speculation and fascination for millions of people all around the world. There's just something so interesting about there potentially being a living creature that roams the woods with mysterious origins. There have been plenty of such sightings throughout the internet, but this one by Patrick Rigo is definitely one of the creepier ones in quite some time. In the video published to his YouTube channel on July 23rd, 2012, Patrick is in the woods in Trucas, New Mexico, shooting a background transition video for a family camping trip movie, when all of a sudden, something strange happens.
Grabe, nakakatakot yung lugar oh, kakahuyan. Tika, ano yan? Tao yan eh. Oh.
Without explanation, a terrifying Bigfoot-like creature can be seen walking directly in front of Patrick and his camera before the video eventually ends. Naturally, many viewers have since been quite curious as to what this terrifying entity is and what its intentions were.
Maniniwala lang ako sa Bigfoot kung ano, nahuli talaga yan.
Let's just all be glad that Patrick was able to get out of there before he could find out the hard way.
Marami ng Bigfoot sightings eh, pero wala naman nakakapagpatunay. Pero ang tanong, nasaan na ba yung Bigfoot na yan? Saan ba nagtatago yan? Natatakot ba siya sa mga tao?
This next terrifying video was published to YouTube by a channel known as Pydawn93 and was filmed in Japan. It's also allegedly a cursed video, and it is said that anybody who watches it will ultimately die.
Wow.
Be warned. The footage itself was allegedly filmed back in August
Grabe, nakakatakot yung bayo.
of 2002 and seems to follow an unnamed videographer
Ang creepy.
as they make their way through and around an abandoned building in the middle of nowhere. For at least a little while, the videographer is unable to find anything too creepy aside from the overall state of the place. However, that all changes rather quickly. What started off as an innocent enough video is about to take a seriously sinister turn in a matter of seconds. Take a look.
Putang. Grabe, nakakatakot oh. Tumakbo na siya, tapos biglang napunta ulit sa likod niya.
an unsettling entity can be seen following the videographer through the building as they remarkably stay calm while being pursued.
August 26, 2002. Matagal na tong video na to.
The video ends with the camera panning directly at the creepy entity. I did extensive research to find out where this video was filmed, as I have a particular fascination with abandoned places, and by covering ground on Google Maps and reading through Japanese message boards, I found the exact location.
Oh,
It is known as Mitsu Yamaguchi Station and is an abandoned aerial tramway that was opened in 1958.
wow.
Matching the photos with the video, it becomes certain that the video was indeed filmed at this abandoned site.
Ay, oo nga oh. Ito yung ano, ito yung sa video ngayon. Tapos ito yung pag-search niya. Totoo nga.
Whether this has any meaning as to why this video is considered cursed is currently unknown. What do you make of this strange video? There isn't much content.
Medyo legit to guys ha. Pero ang hindi ko lang maintindihan dito yung yung ano, parang iyak ng bata.
Context to it, other than that it was filmed in 2002 in Japan, and that it is allegedly cursed.
Ayan oh. Yung tao na yan. Pero yung iyak ng bata, parang sa tingin ko pwedeng madoktor yun eh.
This is certainly one video that is sure to keep you up at night.
Grabe.
This next video was published to TikTok by a user named APPT133, as he is seen talking to the camera while relaxing with his pet dog on his bed, when out of nowhere, a strange noise disrupted his silence, causing him to go investigate. As the uploader heads into the hallway to start his investigation, he gets his first sign that he may not be as alone as he thinks in his house.
I literally hate you. How the fuck do you expect to make money, Julie, if you don't like to work? Julie, my purse is fucking opened. What? No, stop.
Grabe.
What the fuck?
Lakas naman yan.
What the fuck? It's not even that late. Kevin's not home from work yet. What the hell?
After being terrified of seeing the door in the
Parang relax lang yung lalaki oh.
hallway close, the uploader then heads right back into his bedroom for a bit of safety and comfort. But in a second, he will find out that not even that room is safe for him anymore.
What the fucking... No. Oh! No. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the Julie, you're lying. You're lying. Oh! No. No.
The video ultimately ends with several more doors closing in and around the house, causing the uploader to be in a state of pure confusion and terror.
TikTok eh. Basta TikTok, wala akong tiwala.
Many people are freaked out by this video and have also remarked
Pero ano, nakakatakot ah.
in the comments at just how calm his pet dog is during all of this. By taking a good look at the doors that were seen closing in the video, it also doesn't appear as if they were attached to any strings. So this begs the question, what could possibly have been closing this man's doors? Let's just hope that if his house does turn out to be haunted, that he moves as far away as he can. A TikTok user named WahidPC uploaded this cryptic and bizarre video to his account in July of 2021, which shows a young boy sitting on the ground at home, playing around and having fun. It seems like a cute and innocent video to begin with, but you know how it goes. The young boy turns around to face the videographer and scoots his way a bit closer, which is adorable. But in the background, what's happening is anything but adorable. Take a look.
Ida, ini nih. Bau.
Wow.
In a blink and you'll miss it moment, a shadow figure can be seen running right past the doorway, something that not even the uploader seemed to notice at the time, since no words were spoken after that happened. Surely though, upon reviewing the footage, the uploader must have been in for
Legit to, medyo legit to. Bata eh.
the scare of a lifetime, seeing that a fun and cute moment with their young boy was actually quite a bit more sinister than they thought. To this day,
Pero TikTok kasi, pag TikTok talaga, wala akong tiwala sa TikTok.
nobody is sure what this shadow figure is and what it was doing inside this person's home. The next time you're playing around with your son, keep your eyes peeled. James Fitzpatrick is having an ordinary day at his workplace, and nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. However, that doesn't last for too much longer when something baffling happens, which causes James to pull out his cell phone camera to document the experience for his followers to witness.
Jesus Christ. No. Everything's going all
Ito yung nakakatakot, yung nagpi-flicker yung mga ilaw.
f***ing haywire. We got alarms going off.
Oh?
Ryan's out on patrol. Like there's a f***ing poltergeist or some shit in here. Oh! F*** that! Oh! No, f*** this. Holy shit!
If the barrage of flashing lights wasn't enough to freak you or James out, then surely the door slamming shut at full force is enough. James feels so terrified by what is going on that he has to step outside for a moment just to catch his breath and take in everything that has just happened to him in such a short amount of time. Judging by the way James's voice sounds when these incidents were going on, I must say that his fear does sound quite authentic, and I would be surprised if this was acting, because this definitely sounds like the voice of a man who is panicked and frightened. I also wouldn't blame James if he called in sick to work for the next few days in order to get away from the terrifying spirits
Yan nakakatakot, yung nagpi-flicker yung ilaw ng sabay-sabay. Mahirap gawin yan.
that inhabit the workspace.
Poltergeist or some shit in here. Oh! F*** that! Oh! No, f*** this. Holy shit!
And that was 5 scary videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did,
Anyway guys, so thank you po sa panonood. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutang mag-subscribe sa channel ko guys, tapos yung notification bell. Balik na rin ho ng video.
then subscribe for more scary content.